Ancient bones from old divide, echoes of the very first cry. Who made me here and why? Beneath the copper sun, African idea, African idea. Make the future clear, make the future clear.